2 plus 3 times 4, it looks like you just go left to right, but that gives the wrong answer. Here's why. Left to right, 2 plus 3 is 5, times 4 is 20. The rule is multiplication comes before addition, so do 3 times 4 first, 12. Then 2 plus 12 is 14. Going left to right secretly adds first. In brackets, 2 plus 3 times 4, that's 20. But the times sign binds 3 and 4 into one quantity. The real sum is 2 plus, in brackets, 3 times 4, 14. That order has a name you can remember. Work down this ladder. Brackets, then indices, that's powers, then division and multiplication, and finally addition and subtraction. Division and multiplication share a rung, and so do addition and subtraction. Same rung means work left to right. 2 more examples, the mistake that starts arguments online, and a quick quiz. Example 2, brackets, 4 plus 2 times 5. This time the brackets are written for us, so they go first. Inside the brackets first, 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 6 times 5 is 30. Last one, the full ladder, 20 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 3 squared. No brackets, indices next. 3 squared is 9. Then division. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now only add and subtract are left. Same rung, so left to right. 20 minus 3 is 17. Plus 9 is 26. Two traps to dodge. 1. Just going left to right. That's how 2 plus 3 times 4 turns into 20. The ladder beats reading order. 2. Thinking multiply always comes before divide. They share a rung. 12 divided by 4 times 3 is left to right. 3 times 3 is 9, not 12 divided by 12. Quick quiz. Work each one out with the ladder. Pause the video, then play to check. Five plus 2 times 3. Multiply first. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 16 minus 12 divided by 4. Divide first. 12 over 4 is 3. 16 minus 3 is 13. And 2 times 3 squared. The index first. 3 squared is 9, times 2 is 18. So, the key points. Work down the ladder. Brackets first, then indices, then divide and multiply, and add and subtract last. If 2 operations sit on the same rung, work left to right. And brackets are just a way of saying, do this bit first. Grab the free worksheet in the description to practice, and I'll see you in the next one.